Hi everybody. Hey, I just wanted to show you how to make a really quick guacamole. It's super quick, and if you just need a real quick snack, I got it here for you. So here we go. First of all, we need to take care of our avocado. You want to get a nice soft one because it just makes it a lot easier to mash if you do. And then you cut it in half. And you make all these little lines in there, and then it's really easy to come out. And then to get the rest of it, you just go like this, and then you just pop it right out. And then do this one again. Now this particular avocado is kind of veiny. I can feel like it just, I don't know, not as soft as I would like it, but it's still going to be yummy. I like it when they're really buttery, but you never know what you're going to get with an avocado. Now that you got them all cut up, now what you do is you put probably a half a part of a lemon in. And then, now what I do is instead of putting salt and pepper in, I have my own mix that I put in, and it's onion powder, garlic, salt, and pepper mixed together. And I use my own because I try to get away from using so much salt. And then I chopped up some tomatoes and some cilantro, and then we're just going to mash it all up. Okay, and we're going to mash it up with a fork. Now this one turned out really good. It's very, very tasty. As you can see, nice and yummy and colorful. But now this one, instead of it being really creamy and buttery, this is one where they say chunky guacamole, and that's because the avocado doesn't mash up really creamy. Not that it's not ripe, it's really ripe, but they are hard. So they still are as yummy. They just is not as buttery, but it sure is yummy, and it tastes so good on tortilla chips. So anyways, just wanted to show you. Super easy, super quick, and not a big deal. You need a good healthy snack. There you go.